Best Group has launched a new project at Netaji Subhash Place in Delhi. A mixed-use development, the project has a lot to offer. Hello and welcome to another episode of Project Review. I'm Shilpi Dudeja. Before we move ahead to site, please subscribe to MBTV for more such project reviews. Without any further delay, let's see what's up for grab at Bestfield. I will take you inside the project. We will check developer's background. I will tell you about the amenities, facilities and other specifications also. We will do price analysis and vis-a-vis competing projects in the locality, and we will take you to the location. Let's explore the location first. Bestfield is coming up at Netaji Subhash Place, which is popularly known as NSP. Sprawling over the 75 acres of land, NSP is epicenter of social gathering, businesses and events also. This West Delhi locality enjoys good road connectivity and metro connectivity to other parts of the city also.
Netaji Subhash Place is a well-established commercial area in northwest Delhi. It is surrounded by localities such as Srinagar, Shakurpur, Keshavpuram and Ashok Vihar Phase 1. With Mahatma Gandhi Marg on one side and Lala Jagat Narayan Marg on the other side, the locality enjoys good connectivity to other parts of the city. The locality is also served by Netaji Subhash Place Metro Station, an interchange section between Red Line and Pink Line of Delhi Metro. Moving on to social infrastructure, you will find many schools, colleges, hospitals, hotels and entertainment hubs in the vicinity. Being a prominent employment hub, NSP houses offices of main leading companies like PP Jewelers and many more.
As per the developer, Bestfield is one of the largest mixed-use development in NSP. It offers office space, commercial space, retail hub, hypermarkets, entertainment zone, food courts and much more. Let's explore the project in details.
Bestfield is a mixed-use development project offering retail and office spaces. The project will have 3 office towers and will be developed in 2 phases. Moving on to legalities, Bestfield has got its RERA number. Retail space will have ground plus 5 floors. There are various kinds of shops available on different floors. The size of retail store starts from 630 square foot. On the lower ground floor, units are available for 25,500 rupees per square foot, where on the upper ground floor, rate is 24,500 rupees per square foot. Please note that the actual rate will depend on the location of the unit and floor. 3 towers of 22 floors each will be dedicated for office space, which is likely to houses over 700 offices. Office space size will depend on the client requirement, as the developer can assign one plate to the company. If I talk about the parking space, the project can accommodate close to 1500 cars. Moving on to the amenities, Bestfield is well equipped with all modern amenities such as the gym, club and entertainment zones. Office space area is 5,50,000 square feet. Retail, dining and entertainment zones are on 4 lakh square feet area. The waterfront is on 50,000 square feet. Each floor has various segments and categories. The lower ground level is kept for hypermarket, while other anchor and retail stores are for the upper ground to the second floor. The third and fourth floor are dedicated for the food court and multiplexes respectively. The fifth and top floor are considered a terrace, will be given to restaurants. The developer has already got Cinepolis for multiplex. Since it is a newly launched project, the developer is yet to tie up with other brands. Apart from buying retail store and office space in the project, you can also get in space on lease. The project is expected to deliver by March 2026.
Now let's see what builder has to offer within the project. So this is the Bestfield project and you can see this is a model. So let me take a tour of this model. This is a land parcel of approximately 4 acres. You can see this. So it's a huge project. So these are the offices here. So this is an L-shaped tower. You can see there are the 2 towers. In these 3 towers, so opposite to this there is another tower. You can see this is also an office space, and in all these 3 towers there are more than 700 offices. You can check this out, and the amenities are also here within the towers. So if we talk about this space, so these are the 3 to 4 anchor stores are here. You can check these, and the retail space, and let's talk about these commercial space also. So these are also here only. Already builder has tied up with the Cinepolis. You can check this, and this is a multiplex. And the entry of this commercial plaza is from here. This is a 4-side open plot.
Bestfield is surrounded by many other retail and office spaces. However, currently there is no under construction commercial or retail project in the vicinity. Sun City, North Square Mall and Unity Agarwal Metro Heights are two prominent commercial development nearby, while Sun City North Square Mall offers retail stores, options and hypermarkets. In Unity Agarwal Metro Heights, you will find commercial shops and office space at a competitive price. Shops in Sun City North Square Mall commands anywhere between 23,000 to 24,000 per square feet, while in Unity Group Metro Heights, the rate is approximately 24,000 rupees per square feet. The average price of this locality is around 20,000 rupees per square feet. Bestfield project prices are between 22,000 rupees to 26,000 rupees per square feet.
Let's explore developer's background.
Best Group has more than 10 companies with multiple success stories of delivering numerous commercial and residential real estate projects in NCR. Over the last 3 decades, the company has delivered 15 lakh square feet of commercial space and 5 lakh square feet of residential space. Some of the delivered projects so far are:
Overall, project has a lot to offer. If you're planning to buy commercial space in hub of West Delhi, or even you are looking for a retail space on lease, then you can consider this project. For more such project reviews, you can subscribe to MBTV with camera person Lokendra Pandey. This is Shilpi Dudeja signing off.